How to recommend mini app on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open mini VK and then click on your profile here in the top corner and click this 3 points, and after that just click edit profile. Click share profile and then click this 3 points, and after that click recommend, and that's it. As you see, it's easy and you can unrecommend it easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.